So this is an application that was given to me as a challenge by my SCORE mentor. SCORE is an organization that matches up budding entrepreneurs with mentors who've been in the business world, have been in their field of business for a while. So I'm going to take you through that now very briefly. Got to log in first. There are certain things that you can't do unless you're logged in. So the idea of this application, really quick, is to match volunteers with clients based on the client's selected business field, which you can see here, and the mentor's particular expertise. Now, of course, this could be expanded and customized to really any business model where you want to match up employees with clients based on some field. And again, right now we're limiting the mentors to 2 fields, but that could change. This whole thing could be customized in 100 different ways. But I want to take you through just the nuts and bolts of it here. We have a list here of all our clients. Double click, the information appears to the left here. I can do a search by client last name. You see it has that little IntelliSense here. I can also search by business type. I want to search all the people who are going into computers. Well, very, very popular field. A lot of people opening up computer businesses. So let's start with the client information to the left. Now, of course, this can be edited by going to the Add Edit screen, and it's already filled in here because this is the person we selected to edit. Suppose this person moves to Pittsburgh. And it's also going to change the zip code and phone number, but we'll just leave that as it is. And you can see that, we didn't select the field name. Food service, let's say. There we go. All right, so you can see everything's updated here. Now, you can also add a new client. You can see the person's notes, or you can add notes. This is not meeting notes. This is just general note that a mentor can make about their client. And save notes. And then appears here, entered by time and date, etc. So that's notes. Now, we can also add a client in here, add a brand new client. Now, it's still in edit mode by default, so I have to go to add new. And we'll add a new client in here. And the business type is not food service. Let's say, I don't know, training and coaching, right? So save. And now we can look him up here. Now it doesn't have a mentor yet. We'll change that. We'll fix that part. Delete allows you to delete someone. Let's go to the mentors field first. Now this, again, we can select a mentor and see who their clients are. Stephanie Jones obviously has 2 different fields of expertise. And you can choose up to 2. So if we're adding a new mentor here, and we have to make sure he's in training and coaching. Now let's also add professional and legal. All right, so we'll go back to the search form, and now we're ready to do a mentor match. Now this is where most of the power is here. Let's bring this down so we can see it. First, I want to bring in, show all unassigned clients here. So let's look for, and we want to find all mentors for training and coaching. Now, some of these people have clients already. Gregory Morrill, James Newkirk, they have 4 clients each already. Let's assign it to this guy here, Obi-Wan Kenobi. These are his fields. We can see that there's a match. He wouldn't have shown in this box otherwise. And we'll do an assign. So now you can see mentor Obi-Wan Kenobi has Luke Skywalker as a mentor. So we go do the search, and now you can see it's been updated here. So that's most of what we do here. Oh, contacts. So contacts, a contact here means any meeting. So right now it's showing all contacts. If I want to do a search, I want to search for, look for the contents of client Wendy Troop. Wendy Troop has not had any meetings with a mentor yet. Melinda Cunningham. There, okay, so Melinda Cunningham has had 3 meetings with her mentor, Michael Flowers. Most recent was today, in person. If I want to search by mentor instead, okay, there we go. So Jerome Wolf, again, we show Jerome Wolf's meetings and the contact type, date and time, etc. If I want to add a new meeting, so I'll select the client here, and let's say, let's go to our LU, there we go. Type, let's say it was video. It's a big galaxy after all. Met with today. Okay, and then you can see that, we'll have to do a refresh here. And you can see the meeting showing up here. That's pretty much it. The only other thing is the report. Now the report, again, is another powerful tool here. I'll explain what this box means in a moment. It just means that the last contact, this is not, basically it looks through all meetings between this client and this mentor, and it has to populate this field, which there might be several meetings. In this case, there was only one meeting. But if there are several meetings, we want this field to be updated to the most recent one, and that's what that pop-up box meant. So we can search through active clients only, and we can sort by first contact or last contact, and we can sort in either direction. If I want to find the most recently assigned, we can put assigned, and we can put extra tools in here to show date ranges, for example. That can all be. I can sort by mentor. I can sort by client, up or down. If you want to find when the last person, so we can sort by last contact. These people have never been contacted, or there's never been a contact. This person here, now that they're sorted this way, well, this Yvette Loftus hasn't been in since last October. So Jason might want to contact her and say, hey, Yvette, it's been a while. Why don't you come on in, or call me, or something like that. So this can be used as to print a report that shows relevant information. Well, that's pretty much it. Again, it shows all the basic, and again, this can be customized a lot of different ways, but I just wanted to show you this app that I developed. Again, the intention is matching volunteers with clients, but you can match employees with clients just as easily. Instead of making it on a field of expertise, it can be a particular skill set. This whole thing can be customized 6 ways from Sunday, but just wanted to give you a quick overview of the project.